Flowers. Story time. So, you know that uh, I was hosting an event, Global Superstar EP launch party in Braamfontein, Play Bram, sponsored by Cotton Fest Exchange and Play Energy Drink. Okay, sharp. So how did I get to host it? Obviously, I wrote them an email, and I was speaking to this other lady, and we were so professional to each other, friendly and kind. Okay, until we got to an agreement that yes, I can actually host an event there. Okay. Okay, so a few days before, she asked me to create the poster, and before I said I post the poster, I should send it to her via email. Then I sent the poster to her. Okay, sharp. Then she was like, this is beautiful, but she did some changes on the poster, and I was like, thank you so much. I'm not gonna do any changes on this poster. I love it the way it is, and when I post it, I'm gonna take cotton first. Okay, I sharp way kicking. Then I post the poster on Instagram everywhere. I started inviting people, inviting artists to come and perform. Okay, I then I emailed Imani, or emailed this other girl again. Okay, can we can please tell me who to talk to when I get to Cotton Fest Exchange. Who is there right now, taking care of the place, if everybody. Then she gave me a contact of this other guy who is there, Ubongan. Alright. Then chat and Ubongan. I'm like, hey, my name is Zimbali. I'm hosting an event at Cotton Fest Exchange. Please advise me when is the right time. I even sent him the poster. Please advise me when is the right time for me to come. Okay. Then it was like, come around 11th. Then I sent him a text again. I said on the 10th, because the event was on the 10th, which was like on Friday, last week Friday. Okay. Then he didn't bother to answer me, even when that guy was so nonchalant and rude. Okay, he didn't greet me. He just said, come by 11. Nothing, not hello, nice to meet you, what, no. And when I sent him the second text, he didn't answer me. Like, nothing at all. Okay, sharp. I'm like, okay, maybe he's a busy man. Busy man where? Because when I got there at Cotton Fest Exchange, he's just chilling at the chairs. He's just chilling on the chair, and he's busy on his phone. When I greeted him again, when I got there, hi, my name is blah 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 blah. Okay, he gave me a handshake. He didn't even bother to introduce himself to me, because I don't know why. I don't know why he was so undermining me. Okay, fine. Sharp. Okay. Then I started telling him, because I came to the venue because that was prior, before the events. Okay, maybe like 4 days before the events, and then I tell him, because I came here because I want to check how the okay, I know Cotton Fest Exchange, and I was so excited to host it because I was ngiyabheka indawo ukuthi okay, where am I gonna put i-decoration? Ngizoyifaka la i-deco, ngifake ini lana, ngiyabheka, ngishuta iy'thombe. Then I did a video, ne? I had to do a video, a Spotify Wrapped, okay? Then I asked this guy, can I quickly do a video here? So it is for the rap because like bekadlala music nyana and Spotify singivumele post leyo video le because akudlala music kwami, kudlala music kwabanye abantu. And it's supposed to be like a video of me talking to my fans, saying thank you for them for listening to my music. Okay, I sharp. Obviously he did not. He did not. He did. Yo, finally, yeah. Okay. Hey, okay. You shoot anyway, video about you shoot anyway. Then ngimtshela ukuthi yazini mfethu ngiyabonga ne sengizokubona nge-10 mina sengiyahamba. Awuyebo ayikho inkinga vele ayisharp hamba. Maka ngiyabona ukuthi I still kept my cool, you know, because maybe he's nonchalant and that's how he is. It's fine. It's fine. Maybe he doesn't like people. That's why when I the Cotton First Exchange, I won. As paying for the whole day. But okay, sharp. Then on the day of the event, how manager yami, the photographer yami, the teacher yami, the dancer yami, bafike kuqala before me, yabo, because when I was still putting on my makeup, I bafike la pen, and I was okay, guys, are you there already? But yeah, we are here, blah 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 blah. Okay, but now I'm coming, yabo, with my mother, her PA and her friend. Okay, sharp. We come with our things and stuff. Mr. Aoyebo, I'll call her. Then I'm like, hi, Mr. Aoyebo, is it cool for me to start and putting deco and there's a table there, ne, for food and drinks, obviously. Yes, you can. Alright, I have Mr. Ayeb. Imbuli subongan velo sharp, okay. I'm here. Yakumula ngitshela ukuthi ngizofika again and get 10. So today is the day. Get excited. Yo, get happy. Get happy, guys. Like, you don't know how it feels for me to work with Cotton First. You don't know. I manifested that thing. I manifested to work with Cotton First, guys. Okay. I can't even explain how happy I was when Cotton First accepted a collaboration yami and posted the picture on their Instagram account. I'm like, yo, okay, Zimbali girl, well done. You see, like I'm proud of me. You see, then he was DJing with his friend, DJ sharp. Then I started putting the deco, nanani, ngathatha lela tafula leliyana vele ngafaka into zami, then ngabeka izinto kapha vele, because that table has a place where you can hide things on, okay. Ngabeka into zami ngapha, ngabeka ukudla, because I had sandwiches that were made by my benzo mamkhulu wami ngithando amnandi kabi bamaningi vele ngabeka phezu kwetafula, ngabeka ikhekhe, ngabeka ishampompo, ngabeka amaglass. Okay, no problem vele. So I started to decorate. Then I'm like, okay, let me go change yabo. Ngiyahamba vele ngiyagqoka iskipa it's a global superstar match. Okay, ngiyagqoka vele. Then we started taking pictures, drinking wine and stuff. Okay. Then but now you can't bring alcohol here. I'm like, how? What? Because the only rule I got from the email was that, okay, it was a long list of rules, ne, including you don't sell tickets. The event is supposed to be free the whole time, and I was cool with that. I'm like, yes, not selling tickets. I'm selling what? Sandwiches. The only people are getting sandwiches for free is the artists who are gonna perform. But if you're not an artist who's gonna perform same day, you're buying the sandwich, all right, for 20 rand, then you're getting a free play. because the play is sponsoring what? Cotton First Exchange. I thinking. Alright, people including in the security downstairs would say, oh, she has in. I feel like I'm not supposed to bring alcohol here. So where can I like put this wine of mine safe somewhere where I can, where you see, like where I can just pour for myself and put it back there, because I'm not supposed to bring alcohol and give it to people. Because I brought alcohol and bottles so that I can give them to people. That's why I had glasses, yeah, but okay. In fact, I wasn't planning to give people a play. No, I was planning to give them a bottle and wine for them to drink. Then, of course, mix the bottle with play, not a full play. Yeah, but I was gonna share the play guys with everybody and bottle, like do cocktail type thing. Ha, but nope. Not here. I'm like, I'm sorry. I guess people were just gonna drink my energy drink and eat the sandwich. Alright. Then when I kept on going there, obviously, and pour myself wine, me bag of fruity, I spoke to the security guy. It's not like giving gizenzel. Alright. I'm energy drink. Aphele efridgini, so there's a mini fridge play yabo, aphele efridgini yabo. Then like ama-energy drink aphelile, ngicela lo ubongani ukuthi bongani ngicela ufaka ama-energy drink efridgini, because ama-energy drink ayenzeni aphelile, athi ngizowafaka. Okay, and bangakawafaki vele that day. I think ngithole maybe kuna 5 nyana in the fridge, maybe wayengekho, maybe wase storage. Alright, so mabati no alcohol is allowed, and I have to remove all my things from the table because that table is for them to sell alcohol. Who is selling alcohol? Cotton First Exchange is selling alcohol now, because this is not my first time coming here, and I've never seen Cotton First Exchange selling alcohol. Alright, sharp. I didn't even know about this. Okay, because if Bongani was not that nonchalant on WhatsApp, he could have told me good time to, you know what, yeah, this is what you can do as well. Like, Sikulu must communicate, because he's the one who's always there, not the other girl who's on email. Alright, sharp. Ngisuthi izinto zami ngizibeke ku-store room se-Cotton First Exchange vele laphayana phambi okay. It's fine. Then ngithathe itafula, one of the tables that were there, ngibeka ama-sandwiches wami, ngibeke yonke into yabo. Okay, fine, sichubeke. Ngibuyele futhi kubongani mara ngithe ngicela ufaka ama-play, and people are coming in, and ama-play ayachisa, ngicela uwafake, athi ngizowafaka. Then he started spazzing, yabo. He's like, nina nezenzela lana, nenza ngathi kukwenu, nani kukwami. Well, I'm like, kukwami for today only, because I am hosting an event. Mara ngizakuwe mangifuna into or what, and I've been doing what you uthe ngisusa izinto zami lapha ngasusa. So what are you complaining about? I'm gonna call in and complain and okay, fine. And he does that exactly. Stop music. Okay, stop music. I-DJ yami bengakafiki. I-DJ yami le enye bengakafiki, because the one that I came with, made a different time slots. Alright, sharp. I figure well, Lord, afonelwe ugirl, amtshela ukuthi yeah, I complain mina ngiyazenzela ngiyelona ngiyenza ngathi kukwami, ngifaka ama-shine everywhere. It's my deco. Obviously I have to put ama-shine everywhere, kubonakala ukuthi abantu bayaphi, bazokuphi, in how. Alright, anginikeze ifone, akhulume nami girl, athi hi, I'm Zimbali. They're telling me that futhi she calls me Ndlovukazi. They're telling me that there's a problem there, blah 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 blah. And I was like, what? Oh, okay. Like if like that is the case, if I'm not supposed to take any energy drinks, I'm not gonna take them. I'm sorry. Alright, I didn't even wanna khuluma kakhulu, ngimtshela ukuthi ejiyazi makubongani nanchala and take it and drag it, because like I have guests to attend to. I can't be on the phone calls ngama complaints on my biggest day ever. No. Okay, I drop Amani. Actually, if like that shit continues, they're gonna tell him. They're gonna tell him to event. Oh, okay, sharp. Sorry, I don't want the event to be shy, so it's fine. I'm not gonna do anything. Ngasamcela ukuthi afaka ama-energy drink. Ngasamceli nje. Alright. Then I'm like, hey, please continue DJing because you were DJing, yabo. I very acquired. Yeah, but because even if when he told, if we were speaking on WhatsApp, he could have told me you go to Bani, Bongan, and we are DJ, and it makes a file go playlist, go line up at DJ, yeah. But no, cause then hey, okay. Bantu bafika ama-guest afike vele even seyaqala manje vele sengiyazi-introduce nan out of nowhere uBongani athi I fuck man ngikhathele aqime isanda aqime light even sephelile. I'm like sengenzeni manje like I wish he could have told me good he has plans, he can stay for until 8 p.m. instead of like making the drama. Engeko, bruh. Engeko. I didn't do anything to that guy. I didn't do anything wrong to that guy. He started accusing me of stealing my play. Mina. Ngitshontsha my play just because ngithatha my play nganikeza ama-guest wami had nothing to drink because what I brought them, it was not allowed to be drank inside. So ngiyenzeni ngithatha my play nginikeza abantu bami bathi mina I'm stealing plays. Yo lapho-ke umamami and everybody else started going crazy and they went on him bamthuka bamtshela the way anomona ngakhona, bamtshela the way he's never gonna forget that day because mina ngiyihlobo superstar and uzosola. Bamuthuka yazini ngithi ngiyamastopa but nami ngiyazi ukuthi like ngikwatile lento ayenzela ayikho right. So I'm like ayivele mabamthuke because like why is he acting like this just because I don't have my plans. He doesn't want to be in the sports until 8 p.m. Sekacima events. Thina kumele sizibone create a fake drama, ne fake problems. Okay, we had to live. Saphuma security leyana vele. Yangibona ukuthi I wanted to cry, but at the same time I was too excited because like I'm hosting an event, I'm looking fresh, everybody's here, everybody's so supportive to me. So I'm like I'm laughing. Sometimes when I'm angry, I laugh, you see. I laugh because like I don't understand what's happening. I'm confused. Like what went wrong? What happened? Why are we here? Why are we being kicked out? Yabo? Okay. I'm confused. Security yabo. I'm confused. Sorry, guys. I'm really sorry. Hi, like he was the ugly one. He was the ugly one because guys, otherwise it's a great egg. Base streets are the thieves. Be that la manyangapha yaslandela. I'm like wow. Ngajotshani sabe sakiriki. Ngajotshani in my face. Why would I want to jeopardize myself? I know my goals, I know my dreams, I know where I'm going. So Magas decided a relationship in the Cotton Fest. What do I mean? When it's the biggest event in South Africa. One of the biggest events in South Africa. And I would love to perform on it. Okay, bye. Yazini. I'm hungry, I'm sorry, blah blah blah. Okay, then I decided to call my team with Yazini guys. Abantu bazela for me and manje bayasixosha la sizoyenza kanjani. Then I kube khona idea ukuthi yazi I submitted Vinyl Lifestyle. In Vinyl Lifestyle I've once performed a Vinyl Lifestyle. Alright, angithi yazi uFazinator and uCardiac bahost ama events lapha asambeni. Vinyl Lifestyle ingaseGandhi Square. Ngitshele wonke ama-guest wami cabanga sesestradeni sesi-stranded. Ngitshele wonke ama-guest wami ukuthi yazini guys, we have to leave and go to Vinyl Lifestyle. I know the route asambeni. Guys, ama-guest wami avume cabanga. Avume. They were like, yes, it's fine, we can go. I'm like, what? But yes, let's go. azange bangale, azange bahambe, but I fuck the shit. No. Bavuma. I'm like, wow, guys, like, thank you so much. Sawalk, song as a crew. Into zami, amasuitcase amangaka, ideko yami, yo, sahamba. Fine. Sahamba masifike final vele kla. How final vele akugcwelanga mara vele event yabo. How kade kusibangalela manje uSmile kezakalani? How safika sacala khona event yaqhubeka sasika ikhekhe sadla shampompo like even final when I was on stage I wanted to cry but umngane kamama was like no, don't cry, bitch. Nope, not today. You can cry mostly once because namanje ngiyi-1 la and I'm introspecting and ngiyabona ukuthi Cotton Fest is removile as a collaborator on my post. You know, I'm like, yes, as you know, I have to redeem myself. I have to tell them the truth. I have to like make sure like I'm not that girl from the hood who is problematic. Because thina abantu basekazi if abathi siyatshontsha bathi si problematic, bathi si ghetto, bathi si wretched, nobody actually believes in us ukuthi like, you know. Yo, fuck, yeah, guys, I hope like the whole story makes sense to you because to me it does not make sense at all. Okay, thank you. What am I missing out? I'm selling t-shirts. The t-shirts for E-Global Superstar. The merch. One t-shirt is like 250. We only have like 2 colors, purple and green. Yeah, I'll update the website soon so that you can order directly from your website on Spotify or on Spotify but for now you can always like DM me. It's only 250. You can always DM me and you'll get your t-shirts. DM me your size, proof of payment, then I give you your thing. Yeah. Love you guys. Easy.